Hi, great day, guys. How are you all? Hope all fine and doing very awesome. Today, I'm going to show you updated Spike version 6.2. Here's the signal of boom index. After the spike, a signal, and now we are going to open a trade. As you guys can see, the multiple trade is opened, and we are waiting for spike. Stop loss, 3 candles. Once the signal appear, open a trade. Each candle 2 trades, 3 trade, 4 trades. Look, here is the mobile terminal also, and also MT5 PC terminal in both of pictures. You guys can see this is the live market which is running in front of you guys, and right now that market is moving and we are waiting for spike. This is the system which can help you to milk the market very easily with profitable system. If you guys want more details about system, check the description, chat with us, the contact details there. We open with 10 standard loss multiple orders. Now we are waiting for the market give us spike and we make profit. Okay guys, after arrow, this is the second candle waiting for spike. If there is no spike after 3 candles, we're going to close this trade with loss. All this in front of you guys. Now waiting for spike. Okay boys, look here. A big spike. This one is the spike. Look here in mobile terminal, I can show you. Look here guys, the spike. So this is how actually the system works. This is what's the accuracy. This is why the system always give spike before 3 candles. Let me lock the profit and let's move with market. Thanks for watching. If you still have any question, check the description, chat with us. We are here to help you. Best of luck guys in boom and crash.